Fieldwire versus Autodesk Build. Which construction app is better in 2025? Construction apps are essential for managing modern projects, but which one should you pick in 2025, Fieldwire or Autodesk Build? Let's dive in. Fieldwire is built for field teams and site management. Most people get this wrong. They assume all construction apps are the same, but Fieldwire focuses on task management, punch lists, and real-time collaboration for on-site crews. You won't believe what happens next. You can assign tasks, attach photos, and track completion instantly, keeping projects on schedule. Autodesk Build, on the other hand, is a comprehensive project management platform. It integrates budgeting, scheduling, quality control, and document management into one tool. For larger projects or teams, Autodesk Build provides end-to-end visibility from the office to the field. Pricing and usability differ. Fieldwire is more affordable and easier to onboard, making it ideal for small to mid-sized projects. Autodesk Build is more expensive but powerful for enterprise-level projects where advanced analytics, reporting, and integration with other Autodesk tools are critical. So, which is better? For small teams and on-site efficiency, Fieldwire wins. For large-scale construction with multiple stakeholders and complex workflows, Autodesk Build is unmatched. The surprising truth is that the best construction app isn't always the one with the most features. It's the one that actually improves your workflow and keeps your team coordinated. Choosing the right tool can save weeks of delays and thousands of dollars on every project.